Hi, my name is Anthony Conlin. I'm Performance and Development Manager here at Valley Road School in Sunderland, and this is a video which is for group analysis in the tracking system. So from your system, to get to the group analysis, you need to go to Focus, down to Assessment, and then across and down to Group Analysis. In here you may have a list of lots of things in there. What you're looking for is the ones that start with VR, Valley Road, so either scroll down to the appropriate section, or in the group analysis box you can type VR and hit enter or search, and it will just bring up the Valley Road ones that I've created. For the example I'm going to use Milestone Maths, but what I'm showing in here works exactly the same in all of these other ones. It's just the difference in what we're looking at, whether that be the milestone, 12 points, 1 point per term expected, a national against national expectation, or target against whatever target has been set by individuals. It works exactly the same. So I'm opening up the milestone for maths, double click, and straight away you'll notice it'll populate in here. What I always do is click populate again just in case it's out of date, just to make sure it's looking at the most recent result. So in here it's always looking at the most recent information. What we've got down the left hand side is we've got all year groups, so that's everybody in the school. And we've got year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These columns here, in this example with it being milestone, is showing the numbers of children who are below the milestone currently, the numbers that are at the milestone, and the numbers that are above the milestone. So the milestone is the expected progress, and obviously the other ones, the target refers to below, on and above target, and the national refers to below, on and above national expectation. What's useful with this is you can actually double click to find out who the people are. So if you want to know who the one child is in year 6 who's currently below, not making enough progress in maths, you can double click and then it'll tell you that it's somebody called Paolo, the most recent result date, and obviously the minus to say that they're below. Who is the one who is at the milestone? It's Keith. And who are the two that are above? Stan and Alexis. But with here, obviously I can click on the 7 to know who across the school, all those 7 who are below. And there they are. So different year groups, but they've all got in common the fact that they're not making enough progress. What you can also do with this as well, if you prefer percentages, you can change the outcome type. Some of them won't mean things, like the mean value, mean grade won't mean much there, but percentage of results will. So this will then tell you, in terms of the percentage, what it looks like in there. So 50%, 50, nearly 30, 15, 16, 17 in there, or change it back to count, whatever you want. Another thing you can do in here, you can actually expand and show all the names in there. So I can click on the plus and it'll actually show you everybody's name in alphabetical order and just show you where they're located in terms of being below, on or above. You can actually put the male and female groups onto this to group by year group and other groups. So you put a tick in each of them boxes, or whichever one you want. Click populate and it'll show you the same thing again now, but in terms of being all years, that's everybody, and then just girls and just boys in terms of numbers. But sometimes I think that looks confusing, so generally I think leave that off. Okay, so that would be everybody in the school. Your numbers might be quite large in there, so you might just want to filter by free meals, or by SCN, or by pupil premium. And to do that you need to use the group filter button down the bottom. So you can click on the magnifying glass, come in there, and if I just wanted to do boys, I won't do the elements I just mentioned because my data is not enough of it. Click apply, click populate, and that's it. Now the numbers have dramatically reduced because I've only done boys in there, so we can see that the 3 who are below there, Jordan, Paolo and Kirk, who are all boys, who are all below. If you want to undo that, you click back on the magnifying glass, clear selection, click populate, and that's that undone, and save. And this is how it works for all of these different areas and all these subjects in there. Apart from the English ones, won't have year 1 and year 2 because it's not appropriate in terms of how it's calculated. Thank you.